everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 507 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out another gift with purchase from Ulta. This is the Lip Plumping Transforming Top Coat in the shade Ethereal. And so this was a gift with purchase from my recent Ulta haul. So if you want to see that haul, I will link that video down below. But this came with the bronzer that I tried yesterday, which was really good. So if you want to see that video, I will also link that down below. But so this is a full-size product that I got with that bronzer and with a really cute large beach tote. And I only had to spend $19.50 to get this awesome gift with purchase. And this just looks so pretty. It's like a beautiful, kind of like a champagne rose gold, very sparkly lip plumper. And I love lip plumpers. So I was very happy to get this as a free gift with purchase. Okay, so let's check out this applicator. Ooh, it's a brush applicator. Oh my gosh, no scent to this at all, which is fine. Let's see how it swatches. It just has this really beautiful reflection to it where it seems to kind of reflect almost rainbow colored. It's so pretty. So this is a lip topper, which means it goes great on top of other lip products, any other lipsticks, liquid lipsticks. But for this review purpose, I'm going to apply it to my bare lips. That way I can see how it looks on its own and if it actually does plump up my lips. Just one layer and it looks so good. It's got beautiful sparkle to it, beautiful shine, and it feels very comfortable on my lips. And it's not sticky at all. For the fun of it, I'm just gonna go in with one more layer. Ooh. That does build up really nicely, just like to add even more sparkle. And it really is plumping my lips up. I can kind of feel that kind of numbing, cooling sensation from a plumping lip product. And I do think that it did kind of work because there are less lines in my lips. So like my lips look smoothed out, like plumped out. Like I love how shiny it is, but then also that sparkle because it's very small sparkles. And I almost feel like the sparkle glitter is holographic, like it kind of has that shine holographic effect. This is definitely going to be so beautiful on top of so many different lip colors. Wow, like I would pay for this. I would buy this product because I like it that much and it's that effective and beautiful, but I got this for free. So this is just amazing. So if you've tried this, I would love to know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. My lips definitely feel cold, like that cooling effect, but they don't burn and sting, which is good. I'm definitely going to get great use out of this. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.